Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of grade 10th. It's my fourth lecture of unit number 4. In my previous lecture, we have completed the reading along with the translation. Now in this lecture, we will do the book exercises. So for doing the book exercises, open your books at page number 35. The page number is 35 and the first exercise is of glossary. The words are given and their meanings are also given. The first word is ranches, catastrophe, anthropocene, epoch, garbage mound, posture, habitat, biodiversity, greenhouse gases, clock, deforestation, arable, urbanization and industrialization. Dear students, I think there is no need of telling you the meanings of these words as we have already discussed them while we were doing reading. But let me tell you once again that in your paper in section A, some MCQs are of these words in which words will be given and 4 options will also be given in which you have to encircle the correct one. So keep in mind the meanings of all the difficult words. The second exercise is on page number 36, which is of comprehension. Answer the following question. The first question is, why is there no single and easy solution to the problem of population growth and its impact on environment? Question number 2. How is the carrying capacity of earth affected? Question number 3. Why does population growth directly affect the environment? Question number 4. Analyze any passage of the text population growth and its impact on environment and identify key idea and its supporting details. Question number 5. Locate examples from the text population growth and its impact on environment that support an opinion. Question number 6. Keeping in view the population and the environment of your area, do you agree or not with the content of lesson? Support your view with solid arguments. Dear students, the answers of all these questions are submitted in the form of notes. In the office, you can come and collect them from there. Question number 2. Choose the correct option. These kinds of questions also come in your section A. Experts in the field of population and environment worry that this unchecked population growth may result in environmental catastrophe. In this sentence, word unchecked means 4 options are given: enormous, unnatural, free or limited. So the correct option is free. Statement number 2. Presently 7 billion and 6 million people live in the world. The idea expressed in this sentence is based on fact, inference, opinion, comparison and contrast. So the correct option is fact. Number 3. A huge quantity of pollutants are being let out in the air. In this sentence, the phrase let out means released, produced, absorbed or bold. So the correct option is released. Now turn the page. The number 4 is, according to the text, the term the carrying capacity of earth means number A, the huge quantities of pollutants that are being let out in the earth, the maximum pollution size of the species that the environment can sustain. Number C, the dominant influence of humans and their activities on the environment. Number D, the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. So the correct option is B, the maximum population size of the species that the environment can sustain. Number 5, the issue of population growth and environment is the issue of dash. Option A, poor and developing nations only, wealthy and advanced nations only, poor developing and advanced nations, neither poor nor advanced nations. Option C, poor developing and advanced nations is correct. Dear students, let me do one correction. In option 1, experts in the field of population and environment worry that this unchecked population growth may result in environmental catastrophe. In this sentence, the word unchecked means the phrase is incorrect. The correct option is enormous. The next exercise is of tenses. Rewrite the following sentences using the tense indicated in the bracket. He will do his work with diligence. We have to change it into simple present. So we will change it as he does his work with diligence. Number 2, I followed his instructions. We have to change it into simple future. So I will follow his instruction. I followed his instruction. We have to change it into simple future. So we will say that I will follow his instruction. In future we will say I will follow his instruction. Number 3, that will be interesting. Number 3, that will be interesting. We have to change it into present continuous. So it will become that is going to be interesting. That is going to be interesting. Number 4, I will not allow this to happen. We have to change it into simple past. So it will become I did not allow this to happen. Number 5, he worked very hard. We have to change it into future continuous. So it will become he will be working very hard. He will be working very hard. Number 6, I will never raise any demand. I will never raise any demand. We have to change it into present perfect. So I have never raised any demand. I have never raised any demand. Number 7, he is crying at the top of his voice. He is crying at the top of his voice. We have to change it into past perfect. So it will become he had cried at the top of his voice. He had cried at the top of his voice. And the last one is we buy vegetables from the market. We buy vegetables from the market, present perfect. So we will say we have bought vegetables from the market. We have bought vegetables from the market. The next exercise is fill in the correct form of the verb. My friend Hashim has always been fat, but things get, we will use the correct form of the get, here is got. But things got so bad recently that he decided to go on a diet. He began his diet a week ago. First of all, he wrote out a long list of all the foods which were forbidden. The list included most of the food he loved: butter, potatoes, rice, cold drink, chocolate, sweets, and so on. Yesterday, I paid him a visit. I rang the bell and was not surprised to see Hashim as fat as ever. He led me to his room and hurriedly hid a large parcel under his desk. He was very embarrassed when I asked him what he did. He smiled guiltily and then put the parcel on the desk. He showed me the contents of the parcel. It contained 5 large bars of chocolates, 3 bags of sweets. The next exercise is present perfect or past perfect continuous. Choose the correct option. I love this writer's book. I had been reading them for years. So the correct option is I have been reading. Number 2, his clothes were dirty because he had been working in the garden. The correct option is he had been working. Now 10th page. Where have you been? We had been waiting. We had been waiting. We have been waiting. So the correct option is we have been waiting. Number 4. He hasn't decided on a career yet, but he has been thinking, but he had been thinking. The correct option is he has been thinking about it lately. After she had been playing the tennis for 10 years, she joined a squash team. The correct option is had been playing. The correct option is had been playing. The next exercise B. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb. In bracket, use the present perfect continuous or the past perfect continuous. Nabil has never had an accident and he has been driving for years. Number 2. She had no idea it was so late because she had not been watching the time. Because she had not been watching the time. Number 3. Have you been taking your medicine regularly? Mrs. Sami. Yes, doctor. Have you been taking your medicines? Okay. Number 4. They eventually found the dog after they had been looking for it all night. Number 5. How long has been your father working for the company when he retired? Number C. Complete the sentences with a suitable word or expression. The expressions are given. Number 1 is for, by, tomorrow, so, for, the week before, and since. And we have to put the correct one in the statements, in the sentences. Our TV hasn't been working. The correct option is since last week. Our TV has not been working since last week. Number 2, the Khans invited us to dinner although we had only met. The correct option will be we had met the week before. They will have finished painting the house by tomorrow. We had been writing for nearly an hour when the bell rang. They have interviewed 3 suspects. So far. Choose the numbers. D is exercise number D. Choose the errors in the following sentences. Jamila has lost weight. She has been dieting since months now. Everything was white when we woke up because it had been snowing all night. Number 3. I was so happy when I received the gold medal. I had been working hard for years. The upcoming test is making me nervous. I have been preparing all evening. Number 5. We had been writing for nearly an hour when the bell rang. We had been writing for nearly an hour when the bell rang. Dear students of grade 10th, with this we have completed the book exercises of unit number 10. Do the practice of all these book exercises, the grammar exercises, the glossary exercises. Till then, thank you.